Hi everybody, it's Pam. Guys, it's tea time for me today, and it's also lemongrass time for me today. So I had some chores, my little kitchen chores to do, so I thought I would just turn on the video here and let you guys hang out with me while I do some lemongrass chores. And it's lemongrass season, so I've got a big bundle of deep dark green lemongrass right here that each year I like to cut back, and then I normally will cut it up really fine, dehydrate it, and I put it away for the winter time so I can have some lemony flavored seasoning in my cooking. But one of the other things that I love to do when it's lemongrass season, guys, is to make some lemongrass stir sticks. So I'm going to show you how to make lemongrass stir sticks with this lemongrass. Now, if you're working with lemongrass or you've never worked with lemongrass before, I'm going to just give you a tip. The blades on this grass will cut your fingers like knives. So you're going to have to be extra careful when you're working with this lemongrass. But I'm going to show you, all I simply do is just bundle me up just a little small bundle. They're on the stiff side, but I'm going to show you how I grip the bundle up, even them out, then wrap them and tie them in a knot, then cut them off to the length of the stir stick that I would like. Now I'm going to be making a whole handful of these stir sticks, and everybody, this is perfect for a garden tea party or any kind of tea party really, or it's just perfect for like I like it myself, where when it's lemongrass season, I make these up so I can enjoy it in my own hot tea that I drink every day. All right guys, enjoy the video and happy holidays everybody. Like always, at the end of the video, guys, I'll put some calendar dates for holiday dates that are related to the video. All right, everybody, let's hop to it. Let's make us a handful of lemongrass stir sticks, guys. Have a great day, have a blessed day, and happy holidays. Bye-bye.